Hello and welcome to V Express Sports. Today we are here to discuss the big one, the NBA Finals between the Los Angeles Lakers and the Miami Heat. Today I'm joined by Akshay Reddy and Tanmay Kannarawat. Akshay being a fan of Miami Heat and Tanmay follower of Los Angeles Lakers. First of all, Lakers versus Miami Heat. The journey of Miami defeating Boston Celtics 4-2 in the Eastern Conference Finals. Beautiful play from Jimmy Butler and his teammates. And on the other side, the Western Conference, Lakers easily taking the Western Conference Finals by defeating the Denver Nuggets 4-1. So first of all, I would like to talk about Miami. Akshay, Miami, what do you think will be the one thing that will help them defeat the Lakers in the finals? The X factor. The,
एक्स फैक्टर बोल सकता हूँ ऐसे मीन्स अभी सीरीज देख ले सीरीज से टॉप 7 प्लेयर्स देख ले टॉप 7 प्लेयर्स से पहला 2 प्लेयर्स तो लेकर्स का ही होगा छोड़ दे दो एंथनी डेविस एंड लेब्रॉन जेम्स ही है उसके बाद नियरली 6 प्लेयर्स आर फ्रॉम हीट द बेस्ट टॉप 7 प्लेयर्स थे सो आई कैन से दैट उन लोगों का बेंच उन लोगों का डेप्थ इज द बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ देम they are doing well. Everyone is playing their part. Everyone is doing what they are assigned to do. That's the biggest strength, I think, of Heat. And also they have a coach, one of the biggest coach who had entered 5 finals. It is the 5th final for him right now. So he won 2 championships. He has that capability to lead a team, and I think coaching, bench, starting 5, all are good. All are doing their job perfectly. इसी strength कह सकता हूँ. I think they take if anyone is not performing well, Bam Adebayo, he didn't perform well in 5th game in Eastern Conference Finals. Then he had taken the blame, and he had gone in 6th game to 30 points. Like someone is stepping up, means they are taking the blame and they're stepping up towards what they want to do, and they have shown their character by doing well in the next games. So I think ये strength होगा उन लोगों का मैं कह सकता हूँ. And coming to their weakness तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं दिखा मेरे को, because they are perfect in the bubble right now. They are doing exceptionally well. No one thought that they are going to be in NBA finals. They made it, and I think they are going to beat Lakers even.
That's a big prediction
That's it
coming
from
from Akshay. Akshay, as you mentioned, their bench strength, because Tyler Hero and Andre Iguodala have put up some good numbers in the Eastern Conference Finals. In the 6 games they played, Hero was phenomenal coming off the bench and even starting. And Duncan Robinson has been fantastic. And other than that, the main man, Jimmy Butler. But if you have to pick a single player of Miami Heat that you think will be their key to the success, who do you think it will be?
I think I'll pick 2. I'll pick first one would be Andre Iguodala, because he is going to defend LeBron James for sure. He is going to take that chance, and he is going to take care of LeBron, I think. And the next one would be Jay Crowder. I think these two are going to defend LeBron and Anthony Davis. They are brought into the team because they have to defend these 2 legends. I think I don't know how they got that. Means I'm going to say this because in mid-season in January they got traded to Heat. I think coincidence ऐसे होता है ना, because लेब्रॉन जेम्स को डिफेंड करने के लिए कोई नहीं था टीम पे उस टाइम पे. अभी देख ले, अभी उस ट्रेड से दे गॉट Andre Iguodala, who is the greatest defender, who defended LeBron and also won NBA Finals MVP in 2014. So Andre Iguodala and Jay Crowder would be my pick.
So Akshay here has picked Jay Crowder and Andre Iguodala to be the X factor in the finals for the Heat. Tanmay, now coming to you,
Yeah.
what do you think the strength of Lakers will be in the coming finals?
Strength of Lakers, their main man, King James, and also Anthony Davis, the two first time NBA All Star teammates, and also the first two names on the NBA team sheets for this season. Not the All Star, for this season, they are the two names who are the top five in the NBA team. So they both are there. And Mr. Reddy told that Miami Heat's bench strength is very strong and everything. Just let me tell you that everyone thought the Lakers are about these two teams. Rondo, you can call him the bubble assist. He has performed extremely well in the bubble. You can say Dwight Howard. Everybody thought you cannot defend Joker, but Dwight Howard and Anthony Davis took upon themselves to defend him. And Jamal Murray, when he was on song in that game 5, LeBron took that responsibility. So the what we say attacking threats, and also maybe in the past year you see with Kobe's team and everything, the attacking was the main strength of the Lakers. This time, this is the better defensive duo or a better defensive team in the Lakers.
As you
As
mentioned,
for yeah,
Tanmay, as you mentioned, like they having Dwight Howard, LeBron taking up the defensive duties, Anthony Davis, and after that, Javal McGee is there to cover up if Dwight Howard doesn't start. So anyway, they have the likes to defend the Miami Heat players, the strength to
yeah.
defend the Miami Heat players. What do you think will be their weaknesses coming in the final, and their weaknesses plus what they can exploit in the Heat's half?
I think Heats have maybe because the perimeter shooting of the Lakers has also improved in the bubble. You see, there are many 3 pointers going off, many 1-2 also between the Lakers. So that is the one thing that you can exploit of the Heat. But the main thing, I think, more than talent, more than tactics, is the mentality. Uh, the Heat organization doesn't have that players. Yeah, Jimmy Butler is an all-star, is an MVP. Andre Iguodala is also a player coming from Golden State Warriors, so he knows the experience. But the Lakers, you know the mentality of King James, and I think uh, this year is about the King James. He has assembled the team for championship. Their rivals have gone down, and this year, due to Kobe incident, that is an extra motivation for the Lakers, for the Laker nation. I don't think there's any better motivation you see in the post-match talks of Frank Vogel, who is their coach. That is one thing that has always been there. The 1, 2, 3 Mamba on 3. So you see Anthony Davis also during that buzzer beater which he won game 2. He said Kobe. So when the tough get going, even if the Lakers are down by 10 points, 15 points, the thought will be always be there that this is the time for Kobe.
And as you mentioned, Mamba mentality, that's what Lakers play for. And one thing I'd like to ask, as I asked Akshay, because obviously the answer would be LeBron James and Anthony Davis. Other than those two, who do you think can be the X factor for the Lakers in the coming finals?
I think Rondo and Dwight Howard, because Bam is also a strong player. So Dwight Howard, I think Coach Vogel will start Dwight Howard against him to what we say keep Bam under the what we say under the threat, or is he going to be threat then to protect that threat? And I think the assist of Rondo will be major helpful if you want to shift LeBron to a shooting guard, then Rondo comes in to give that passes or assist. So that is the one combination that I think will be majorly effective for the Lakers.
Since Rajon Rondo has gone fit, the options for the Lakers have
Yeah.
extended other than LeBron James. Yes, exactly correct, Tanmay. And if you see the regular season, there were two matches between the Lakers and the Heat, both won by the Lakers. And if you see when was the last time these teams won or reached the finals was, Lakers reached the finals last time in 2010, and the last win came in 2010 as well. As for Miami Heat, the last finals was in 2014 where they were defeated by the Spurs, and the last final win was in 2013 with none other than LeBron James. So coming to the final, like, what will be your predictions? Akshay, what do you think will happen? Will it be a 4-0 affair for the Lakers, or as you're supporting Heat, do you think Heat will take it to game 7 or game 6 and they'll get the job done?
Uh, as you know, we have taken care of West. Not we have taken care of East first of all. We are going to take care of West also, for sure. First, let me tell you one thing. Heat is a team which which have defeated number one seed, number two seed, number three seed, and number four seed. Sorry, and they have entered into India finals. Uh, they know what to do. They are underdogs. I know that they are underdogs for sure. Uh, they have to go through LeBron. Anyways, any team from East or any team from West should go through LeBron for sure to win an NBA championship. So I think Heat is the toughest. I think toughest team from East this season. Uh, so I think there is no other team which can be uh, give which can give more competition other than Heat uh, compared to the other teams from the East. So प्रेडिक्शंस ऐसे होगा अभी तक हीट ने जीता 4-0, 4-1 एंड 4-2. आई थिंक इस टाइम इट्स 4-3, 7 गेम्स तक जाएगा. तो देखते, hope the best team wins, but I'm supporting Heat, so let's go Heat Nation.
So Akshay is taking it down to the wire, 4-3 for the Heat. And Tanmay, what do you think? Will it be a clean sweep? Will it be a 4-1 again, as the Lakers have been winning everything 4-1 this season? What do you think?
Only due to the Heat's recent form, I'm going 4-2. But otherwise, I would have given 4-1 to the Lakers. Because even if it goes to the game 7, as Mr. Reddy has predicted, that championship mentality you can see, you can feel while watching also from the Lakers team. You can see in game 7 also, there were many sections of media who were saying Kawhi Leonard was the best player, best player, best player. He never showed up in that game. But LeBron showed up in that game. He scored triple-double with 38 points in that game 5 against Denver Nuggets. I think it will be 4-2 with Anthony Davis being the finals MVP.
So that's the
Finals
prediction coming from Tanmay.
Why?
Yes, Anthony
Told you
Davis
LeBron
being
James
the
score.
finals.
LeBron James is, I think Anthony Davis was that one puzzle to win the championship, and he's going to be that. It is like Dhoni. Dhoni will, if we say the analogy of cricket with basketball, LeBron will take care of everyone else and tell Anthony Davis, you do your job and you win us the championship. Yes, I am there. If tough gets going, I am there. But you do your jobs and you can take us there.
So Tanmay has said that Anthony Davis will be the finals MVP. Other than LeBron James and Jimmy Butler, the one thing to look forward to is the battle between Bam Adebayo and Anthony Davis, attack versus defense, how that's going to be. And that's the predictions from our side. May the best team win. Let the games begin. Thank you guys for joining us.
Laker
Have a great
Nation.
time.